mobile paint booth through some paces today, and I apologize if you can't hear me. I don't have my mic set up, and the fans for this thing are a little bit loud. We've got 4 wheels that we're going to black out the lettering on, and we've got them all taped up and masked off. We did a little back taping on this edge. We're going to try and fill in the black clear coat without creating a hard line. We'll actually end up sanding and buffing them out later, but for now we're just going to see how this works. We're going to see how the overspray carries, if it's working, if it's filling out the filters like it should, and we'll just see how it goes. So let's get started. All right, we've got the wheels all done and boxed up here. My guys move a little bit quicker than I do with the camera, but we left this one open, and this is the final result. So we blacked out the lettering, we put 2 coats on it, and then we did 2 coats of clear. We did have a little bit of solvent pop, but the tent did its job. It didn't really allow a lot of dust in there, so we didn't really have a lot of dust issues, but something between cleaning my gun and
perhaps our clear that we use, we had a lot of solvent pop. So what we did is we wet sanded it down with 1,000 grit and then just buffed it out with a mini 3D or mini 3-inch wool buffing pad, and it shined up pretty good. So they all look exactly like this. We've just got them in the boxes here, along with the BDS suspension that you probably saw in another video, and they are ready to go. We are filling up our showroom here. We've got those wheels all powder coated. These are the Porsche wheels, which there'll be another video on. I just need people to start getting their parts. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. We don't show you a lot of painting, but we hope to in the future. Make sure to give us a big old thumbs up if you like the video, and make sure to subscribe so that you can see all of our future videos. Thanks again.